There's a large fly in this room. Hi everyone, it's Gina from the merchandising team here at FabFitFun. I am so excited to be sharing with you some of the customization options that FabFitFun members can choose for their summer box. This season, FabFitFun is social distancing, so we are filming this from the comfort of my own home. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to FabFitFun's YouTube channel and turn on those post notifications so you don't miss any updates. All right, so the first option in this customization choice is the Giving Keys Mini Key Necklace. It is adorable, super delicate, and this beautiful silver color, so perfect for wearing by itself or stacking with a bunch of other jewelry. It features a small key and it says believe on there. Believe in a life outside again. So this necklace has a 16-inch chain and also comes with a 2-inch extender. It also features a lobster clasp closure, so it's super easy to take on and off. So the Giving Keys is an incredible company. They give back by employing those who are transitioning out of homelessness. It's also a female-founded company, which we just love at FabFitFun. All right, so it is time for Gina's Keys to Summer. This is your how-to guide to living your summer to its fullest while rocking your Giving Keys necklace. So first up is fake tanner, people, because we want to look like we've been tanning all day the second we get outside. Rule number 2, believe in a thing called love. We don't get copyrighted for that. Next up in this customization, we have the TOMS Sydney sunglasses. These are the perfect one-stop shop for your summer shades. So these are a really cool kind of square shape with a little cat eye, so they're gonna look really good on a huge variety of different face shapes. These also have 100% UVA, UVB protection, so you're getting all of the benefits and the fashion at the same time. Wow. I feel transformed right now. I feel like I'm a celebrity avoiding the paparazzi. Like I'm like coming out of a restaurant and I'm like, no, stop. But I'm also like, I look cute, like take your pick. These sunglasses also come with this really nice soft carrying case. They've got the TOMS logo and they're just perfect. Just throw in your bag, travel with, whatever. All right, so next up we have the COOLA Mineral Face Organic Matte Finish Sunscreen Lotion. All right, so this, we're good. So this is SPF 30 and it's going to go nice and sheer on your face, and it also has a matte finish. This guy is cruelty-free and upgraded with COOLA's Plant Protection Complex, which essentially means it's filled with antioxidants, so it's going to be feeling super cool and fresh on your skin all day. All right, so you're going to want to apply this 15 minutes before sun exposure, and then if you're sweating or swimming, you're going to want to reapply every 80 minutes, but then if you're just kind of playing out or going about your day, you're going to want to apply every 2 hours. The big reveal. So it definitely feels kind of like a primer in that it's a little bit thicker and it has that kind of like silky feel on the top of it. And it definitely blended in very quickly. It's not leaving like a white cast or anything like that. It kind of made that like blurring effect that you want from everything you put on your face ever. That's like the real life filter. So next up we have an alternative option for our Canadian members. This is the COOLA Mineral Face Matte Finish Cucumber Sunscreen Lotion. So just like our other COOLA product, this is great for all skin types. It's loaded with antioxidants and it's going to give you a nice smooth matte finish. So this does include rosehip oil and evening primrose, and that's going to really moisturize and soothe any kind of irritated or inflamed skin. So this one is boosted with that really lovely natural cucumber scent. Super similar feel, really nice and lightweight, and gives that kind of like silky blurring feel and effect to the skin. Now, while sunblock is totally amazing and necessary, there are some things that it cannot block. Pictures of your ex with his new girlfriend on your Instagram feed won't block that. Your mom's 47th call in a row wondering if you're still alive when you've just been at work won't block that. This won't block you from being tagged in another Instagram push-up challenge. I can't do them. Leave me alone. Next up, we have this duo from BLAQ. We have their peel-off mask and their HydroGel eye mask with hyaluronic acid. So the BLAQ peel-off mask is one of those super satisfying type of masks. To use it, you're going to go ahead and cleanse your skin first. You may want to use some kind of like a warm towel to open up your pores before using it. Or if you're being really efficient and multitasking while you're doing your dishes, let the steam run, open up your pores, pro tip. And then you're gonna just apply a thin layer over your skin, let it dry, and then peel it right off. It should all peel off in one big ol' mold. Next up, the eye masks. These come in a 5-pack and they are the most incredible, hydrating, luxurious under eye masks in the world. My favorite thing to do with these is to put them on while I'm doing my eye makeup. So when I'm doing my eye makeup, I can shape it around it. fun little hack for you there. It's going to be amazing for detoxing your skin, removing any impurities, just getting all of the gunk out. And now we are moving on to our FFF throwbacks. These are past FabFitFun box products that you guys just love, so we're so excited to bring them back, and you can snag them if you missed them the first time. If you want a refill, we got you covered. So first up, we have the Drybar Prep Rally Prime and Prep Detangler. So this is a leave-in detangler. It's going to prime your hair. It's going to It's amazing for priming hair if you want to just let it air dry. It's also great for protecting your hair from heat damage. They use it at Drybar, so if you're trying to have a little bougie night to yourself, you can fantasize that you're at Drybar while really you're just blow drying your own hair and your arms are really tired. But if you have a glass of champagne, it's all kind of the same thing, right? So this also has biotin as well as vitamins B and C, and that's going to protect from breakage, frizziness. This product is amazing for all hair types and textures, and it was created by a female founder, which we just love. Ooh, it smells very refreshing and kind of beachy, kind of like the ocean spray. So another Gina summer tip: wash your hair, stop skipping your showers, keep up the personal hygiene, guys, come on. So next up, we have the Kate Somerville Goat Milk Moisturizer. Some of you may remember this product because it was in our winter box, and we are bringing it back now as a throwback. I've actually used this pretty much every single morning since it was in our winter box. So this moisturizer is extra special because obviously it is going to moisturize you in the moment, but it's also going to help repair your skin. This moisturizer has jojoba and avocado to hydrate, and also has aloe to help calm the skin. This also contains grapeseed oil and vitamin E, which are natural antioxidants. Finally, this is clinically tested and safe for sensitive skin. So I love this moisturizer because it's really, really thin, so it doesn't feel like it's clogging you at all, and it feels really good under makeup. It doesn't feel too heavy or anything like that. Shout out Kate Somerville, you're the GOAT. That was good. All right, guys, that is all for this customization category. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to comment below. Let me know what you're picking, what you're loving. I'm so excited. Select members are able to customize from May 2nd to May 5th, and seasonal members can customize from May 15th to May 18th. If you are not a FabFitFun member though, that means you can't customize. What are you, crazy? So go ahead and sign up right here. Become a member today. And I'm done now. Oh, I gotta do XOXO Gossip Gina. What's wrong with me? XOXO Gossip Gina.